And for all of us in Delhi, coming just to Bangalore and breathing this fresh air is so important, and it's wonderful. But more importantly, I also take this opportunity to welcome all our important customers who are here to the Festival of Construction Equipment, as we call EXCON. But as always, JCB has a place of pride in EXCON. I want to compliment all our teams from our engineering and our design teams who have created this wonderful display of machines. It tells you about the innovation. It tells you about the focus on listening to the customer and creating solutions for the customer. And I'm sure our customers who are here are going to see machines which meet their expectations, and in some cases I'm sure which go beyond their expectation. This time we have not held ourselves back. We have tried to build something which is the biggest machine ever engineered and manufactured by JCB anywhere in the world. Ladies and gentlemen, the 52-ton excavator. And that tells you the range on one side, and other side you see this tall telehandler, the 18-meter telehandler, and also the scissor lifts. And these are all machines which are created, engineered for our customers in India based on the tough conditions that they use this machine. But equally important is that we look after the people who operate our machines. And that is why our team has created this beautiful cabin. You will see it here. And also the various new innovations that we have made. But as always, at JCB, our flagship product is the backhoe loader. And I know that there are customers who come to JCB to see the next generation of backhoe loaders. And ladies and gentlemen, it's indeed my pleasure to present to you the backhoe loader refresh, the machine which is going to further help build infrastructure in India as it has done in last 46 years. As you know, we have now more than 500,000 of our machines working across India which are helping build infrastructure. So once again, it is wonderful to be here in Bangalore. We look forward to celebrating this festival of construction equipment together. I'm sure our customers will be delighted with what we have laid out for them. And I would request all of you to please engage with our team, ask questions. And for our teams, please remember the most important people in this particular exhibition are the customers who will visit us, who will come to us, and who will inquire about the products. So let us look after them well and give them the JCB experience. And last but not least, I want to thank our marketing and all the teams, including our support partners who have helped us put this fantastic display of
I like what you got there. Let me show you what I got. Check this out. Bring the bass line. Hey yo, shut it down.
These brothers my guys, know that we fly, know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side, CJ Ike, never gonna roll with ice.
There you have the MD and CEO Deepak Shetty of JCB India giving a brief of what JCB India has brought this year at EXCON. A fantastic display of machines in action. You can see the expat operators operating these machines. You have backhoe loaders, compact excavators, compactors, telehandlers. Perhaps the largest machine of JCB India right here, which is the 52-ton excavator, 18-meter telehandler. All of these machines with the promise. In fact, there's a scissor lift right behind. So the excitement at JCB India has set the tone for EXCON 2025. They're here to give customers a holistic solution, easy financing, vehicles that meet their customer needs, and a myriad of options to suit different duty cycles. So all of that put together under one roof with the MD, the senior leadership of JCB India, and of course the key stakeholder, which is the customer itself.